Screw it in!
Come on!
Harder, come on! Put
Come
some
on.
muscle into it,
Yeah.
jeez!
Oh boy! And he brought just a gadget.
Whoa! That's quite satisfying.
Buy me dinner first, right?
Yeah, jeez, come on.
Well,
Okay, so we're heating it up. This is how to take nuts off. Okay.
yep.
Protect your nuts from 5-minute crafts because they're gonna show you how to take them off.
Yeah.
All right.
Really nice gadget with SSDs. Wow.
Yeah?
Yeah, I mean, but it's hard to, to break
Hard
it.
to crank it, yeah.
And you need to screw it.
That makes sense. You need another mechanism just to, hold it, to brace it.
Exactly.
It's not worth it, Ooh, hammer holder, but we found
Yeah.
out that you can actually just use the back of a hammer depending on the size of the nail, so
Yeah.
come
But
on.
there is one tricky thing. Watch the video to know it.
Okay.
Right?
There is a tricky thing. Oh.
Okay, use your brush too. Okay.
This is, I've seen this a lot. These are so cool. I want one of those.
Okay. Yeah.
You could do that, or I feel like you could just probably use your fingers. I don't know.
Yeah, sometimes it's complicated, but the thing is you can use the same hook, but which I will be attached on your drill. Anyway.
True, yeah.
So, but this is also practical. Oh,
Ah.
too big hole?
The hole's too big. What are we gonna do?
Fill it in?
Fill it in? Light it on fire? No? Okay.
Not today.
That's not bad, actually.
Yeah, you just fill it in and yeah.
That'll do the job. Okay, your key's stuck down the drain. What are you gonna do? We have a flashlight. Okay.
Yeah.
You can look at it being stuck down the drain, or you can use a magnet. Wow.
Magnet.
That's pretty handy, but only at certain distances, right? Because drains are usually deeper than that.
Yeah. And if some flaw in there, you
True.
can,
It's just gone
lost.
forever.
But it's one of my fear,
Yeah,
To
mine
lose-
too. Yeah. Whenever I'm like walking over a drain, I check, I clutch my phone as hard as possible.
Exactly, and I hold the phone like so.
Yeah,
No, you're not gonna drop.
If you ever see someone yelling at their phone and holding it really tightly, it's because of that.
Yeah.
Oh no, she can't lift it. What are we gonna do
Whoa.
here? Wow, she pulled out a level thing? No.
I have a gadget. with me.
Yeah, that's handy.
That's handy for sure. Oh.
Or the old-fashioned way.
Now I got the idea. They compare a life hack with the gadget thing, right?
Exactly, yeah.
Wow,
I think the
okay.
life hack is easier, probably, or like cheaper,
Yeah, but it depends.
It looks pretty easy too.
Okay.
All right, so we have a light on your cap. Now you have a cap light. That'd be good for reading at night.
Yeah,
Do some reading with that.
but the thing is, there was a light on your glove,
Yeah,
not here, which could be more useful.
true. I like the old-fashioned mechanic way where they just hold it in their mouth and they're like,
Exactly.
trying to fix stuff.
And
Yeah.
try to not swallow it.
Yeah, exactly. That's the main goal.
Yeah.
Yeah, don't swallow.
Yeah.
Unless, it's up to you. All right, so
It's another opener. And
okay, yeah, we've
this
done quite a few of these.
Yeah.
Ruin your key. Don't want to get in the house anymore.
No. Actually, you'll not broke the key. We tried this. And
I think
works.
it depends on the key though. Some of them are really
Exactly.
loose.
But it's not that easy to
break
to
it.
open the bottle like so.
Yeah.
Okay. But easy to break it. Yeah. Break it.
Oh, be careful with your
Okay.
fingers. Wear some gloves or something. Why are your fingers so close to the knife? Stop it. I don't know how, I feel like in practice, it's not going to be that accurate. It's going to move a bit.
Yeah, maybe. But who knows?
That's what I'm worried about.
You can use it lamps or something to better.
True.
But yeah, you're right. It could be not that practical.
Oh, okay. Ooh,
What?
little dippity dip.
Dippity dip.
Kind of good. Okay, so we're getting some wires together, heating them up.
And using the sparks.
Yeah.
Wow.
Okay, so we're getting these wires. They look a little messy. What are we gonna do? We're gonna coil it around.
Yep.
Make them hug.
Yeah, and melt it after.
Without soldering. Okay. I feel like maybe if you soldered it, it'd be better, but okay.
Okay,
So we want to connect these two wires. We need two ends of forks. That's the only way we can do it.
this is very useful.
Yeah.
You always, when you need to connect two wires, you always doesn't know how to put them together.
Okay,
and
so that's
solder
good.
them.
Yeah.
So
it's like when I try to touch my fingers together, it's like.
Yep. And you need to.
I need two forks.
Yes. You have two fingers and you need to put something
Yeah,
there.
exactly.
So you can use.
Now I know.
Yeah.
The more you know. Ooh, what is happening?
Ooh.
Oh, okay. So it's
to
like an
protect
epoxy
them.
resin or something. Cement.
Wow. Okay, good.
That's good. That's very
Yes.
nice. Get your wires through those bricks.
Yep. Okay, use some connectors to connect your wires. I mean, this is the best way how to connect your wires.
Yeah?
Not somehow to put them together, to bend them or something. Use this special tool. It's the best way how you can put together some wires.
You guys heard it here, folks. It is Archie 5 approved.
Yes.
Okay, now it's waterproof and it looks ugly.
Wow.
Whoa.
That's clever.
That is pretty
Dangerous,
clever.
but clever.
Yeah.
At the same time. Wow.
How do they know it would lead to that part? I don't know.
I mean, because it's a gravity. I mean, you go.
Yeah, I know
down.
gravity.
Gravity.
I understand
sorry.
the concept.
And they put another fork to get the.
Ah, okay, got it. Insulating tape. Okay, keep the heat inside.
It's what I said. It's not the best way.
Okay.
Okay, this is the best way.
This is it. Okay, looks pretty good.
Okay.
Ooh.
and
Ooh.
this comes
What is
here.
this thing? I like that.
Satisfying, right?
Yeah, we're gonna break this down,
Okay.
make a coil.
And
Flux.
heat it up.
Okay. Now there was no point in doing any of that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Good.
Ooh,
Oh,
a little
this
twisty
too.
twist. As a person that isn't
Yeah.
well versed in wire, stuff,
Yep.
this is very confusing to me.
I see. I know a lot, not everything,
Okay,
but
show off. Okay, so
Okay,
we're making a little square
Yeah.
cube thing here. Okay. I feel like it won't work.
maybe. But
So is this just wrapping glue around it?
yeah, and put it in a box. I mean, just to isolate it well, if you put it somewhere.
So that little
straight.
press thing is how they keep the wire from moving. Nice. We got a key. We got a wire. We got a key wire.
And okay.
Okay, you can use it to spin your wires.
Yeah, what a waste of wire. You took such a thing
That
to
was a
bend
little
them
bit of
and
a
cut
waste,
off.
yeah. Maybe they
Wow.
can use it for something else. I don't know.
Maybe.
It's not that much though. Easy.
Easy. Okay, nice hard question.
Do
no, that's previous, not this one.
what you're meant to do.
Just to hammer everything.
Ooh, I didn't like how that moved so much. That was a little dangerous.
That
Could have spun around and got his finger.
I'm always afraid such cutters. I mean,
Ooh.
my fingers cut it off.
Yeah?
I mean, I cut it
Okay.
many times.
I'm like, you still look like you have your fingers.
Yes, I do, but
That's
you know,
good. That's lucky.
I was on that moment to lose it.
Let's keep it that way.
Yeah.
Everybody, let's
Be
eat your fingers if
careful.
you can. Cable tie. All right.
Okay.
Weed
Is it a
whacker?
mixer?
Oh, it's a mixer. Nice. Yeah.
But you screw it up with your drill bit.
Yeah, it's not so great.
Is it worth it?
All right, what do we got next? Whoa.
Is it illegal?
It looks like it. Wow.
Wow.
Why? How is it blue inside? That looked awesome.
Because it's a steering foam or something like
yeah,
this.
true.
You know, it's not a. It's not.
I thought it was wood or something.
No,
Okay.
no. They pretended this.
They tricked me. They
Yeah,
got me.
They tricked me. Wow.
It's it's not very often that they get me, but 5-minute crafts once in a while we'll pull one off like that. Just gets me. Okay, smart.
Wow, that was
I like how smart.
smart.
All right, that's subjective, okay? Jeez. So we got some
That's-
flint,
Okay.
Some me.
Flint, some you.
a little bit more of me. What are we gonna do?
And sharpener. Wow.
Yep.
Okay, it's good work.
I think it has to be at a certain angle though.
Yeah.
I'm not sure if it's the right angle. Wow.
Wow.
Wow. I don't know.
how to make it level good.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Okay.
That's pretty good.
Not that neat, but
Yeah.
Fine.
They could have made it a lot neater actually, yeah. Just like
okay.
one more second of effort would have done it.
Yeah. Oh, how to mark it
Yep.
to make the perfect mark. That's
Handy.
good.
Yeah.
Handy. Yeah. Handy. Smart enough.
Smart.
Smart.
Okay, we stick in these things. I forgot what they're Dremels? No.
No.
I forgot what they're called.
Me.
Guys, let us know what those things are
Yeah.
called because we keep forgetting what they're called. Only Doc knew, but Doc's
Yeah.
gone now. He left.
So we have only you
Yes.
who can help us with all these names.
You have to replace Doc's scientific knowledge.
Yep.